Did you know that the average person spends more than 40% of their day online, with a significant part of that time often devoted to watching porn? While it's a personal choice, it can negatively impact your love relationships and lead to depression. Quitting porn may be a challenge, but the changes it brings to your love life are worth it. You might be curious, what do girls notice when you finally quit porn? Quitting porn is not just about breaking a bad habit. It's a catalyst for self-development and improvement. When you decide to free yourself from the clutches of pornography, several remarkable changes occur within you. Quitting porn marks a decisive change in your self-perception. You liberate yourself from unrealistic expectations, allowing your true worth to shine. As you distance yourself from the distorted ideals presented in porn, you begin to recognize your inherent value as an individual. This newfound self-awareness forms the bedrock of your self-confidence. You no longer seek validation in fleeting images on a screen. Instead, you draw confidence from your accomplishments, your unique qualities, and your ability to connect with others genuinely. Girls notice this change immediately. They observe how you carry yourself with an assured stride, a genuine smile, and an air of self-belief. Your confidence becomes magnetic, drawing people towards you. Whether in a professional environment or a personal relationship, your newfound confidence commands respect and admiration. Pornography often scatters your focus, diverting your attention from important life goals and meaningful pursuits. When you quit, you regain control over your stress and channel your energy into what truly matters to you. By removing this distraction, your mind becomes more apparent, allowing you to set specific goals and work towards them with unwavering determination. Whether excelling in your career, pursuing creative passions, or engaging in personal development, your improved focus propels you toward success. Girls observe your determination and drive. Your ability to set goals and work diligently towards them is desirable. It shows that you have direction in life, which speaks volumes about your character and ambition. Respecting boundaries is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship. Quitting porn teaches you the importance of recognizing and honoring personal boundaries, whether they belong to you or your partner. You learn to communicate openly about boundaries, ensuring that both parties are comfortable and respected in every situation. This respectful approach fosters trust and creates an environment where everyone feels safe and valued. Girls always prioritize their partner's consideration and respect. Your ability to understand and honor their boundaries demonstrates maturity and emotional intelligence. It establishes a foundation of trust, allowing relationships to flourish organically. Porn can sometimes replace genuine emotional connections in relationships. When you quit, girls are likely to notice a profound change in the way you interact and connect with them. Quitting porn allows you to tap into your emotional reservoirs in ways you might not have experienced before. Instead of seeking comfort in the fleeting fantasies of pornography, you find fulfillment in genuine emotional connections. Being emotionally available means you're not just physically present, but also emotionally and mentally engaged. Girls can perceive this shift in how you interact with them and the world around you. Your ability to comprehend, empathize, and establish deeper attachments increases. You develop an awareness of the needs and emotions of others around you. This heightened emotional availability fosters trust and comfort in your relationships. This quality can turn a casual acquaintance into a close friend, or a budding romance into a profound love story. Girls appreciate having someone who genuinely listens, understands, and shares in their emotional experiences. Clear, effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful relationship. Quitting porn leads to an improvement in your communication skills. With the distractions of pornography out of the picture, you can focus on connecting with others through meaningful conversations. When you're no longer consumed by the superficial, you can dive deep into the oceans of dialogue. Your ability to listen, express your thoughts, and engage in enriching conversations flourishes. Girls, especially, notice when you can share your thoughts and emotions openly, creating an environment of trust and understanding. These open lines of communication build a solid foundation for meaningful connections beyond surface-level interactions. It's no secret that porn can skew one's perception of intimacy. Quitting can lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying intimate life, which girls will notice. Pornography often presents a distorted view of intimacy, setting unrealistic standards that real-life relationships can't match. When you quit porn, you begin to appreciate intimacy in its proper form. Real connections, natural bodies, and real emotions replace the exaggerated scenes you once witnessed. This shift allows you to develop realistic expectations about sex and relationships. Understanding that every individual and relationship is unique becomes fundamental. You learn to embrace imperfections and differences, realizing that these aspects make real-life intimacy beautiful and genuine. Girls notice when you approach intimacy with a sense of realism and acceptance. It creates an environment where both partners feel valued and accepted for who they are, leading to more satisfying and fulfilling relationships. Quitting porn can lead to a significant boost in sexual confidence. When you're no longer comparing yourself to actors in adult films, you begin to appreciate your own body and abilities. This shift also allows a deeper understanding of your partner's boundaries and desires. These are the keys to being confident in the bedroom. Increasing your awareness of your partner's needs enhances your confidence in your capability to satisfy their emotional and physical desires. You understand that effective communication is vital, and being attentive and responsive to your partner's signals can elevate the overall experience. It not only boosts confidence and improves your abilities as a lover, but also fosters a more profound sense of intimacy and connection. Girls notice this sexual confidence. They appreciate a partner who is comfortable in their skin, who understands the nuances of intimacy, and who values the emotional bond just as much as the physical one. Your confidence reassures them, making them feel desired, respected, and cherished. Porn consumption can generate insecurities and self-doubt. As you give up porn, you start a journey of self-acceptance and personal development. A remarkable result of quitting porn is the substantial increase in self-esteem. Porn consumption can often lead to feelings of inadequacy and insecurity as individuals compare themselves to the actors in these scripted scenarios. Constantly comparing oneself to others can progressively undermine confidence and result in a distorted self-image. But by deciding to stop porn, you are freeing yourself from this vicious cycle of self-doubt. You begin to see yourself as a unique and valuable individual, separate from any unrealistic standards shown in pornography. As a result, your self-esteem experiences a much-needed resurgence. Girls notice this change and appreciate it. They observe your newfound self-assuredness and ability to embrace your strengths and weaknesses. Porn often fosters jealousy and unhealthy comparisons. When you're immersed in a world of fantasy, it's easy to start comparing your partner to the actors on the screen, and this can lead to insecurity and jealousy. However, when you quit porn, you shed these toxic patterns. You start to appreciate the uniqueness of your partner and your relationship. You realize there's no room for comparisons in real love because each individual is distinctive. This shift in perspective significantly reduces feelings of jealousy and insecurity, making room for trust and emotional security. Your partner feels more valued and respected in the relationship. They appreciate that you're no longer burdened by unnecessary jealousy or making unkind comparisons. Your focus shifts from what's outside your connection to what's within it, nurturing trust and a sense of mutual respect. Trust and honesty are the cornerstones of any successful relationship. When you quit porn, you often find it easier to build and maintain these essential elements. Quitting porn often paves the way for a greater level of honesty and transparency in your life, particularly in your relationships. Porn can sometimes be a secretive habit, leading to a lack of openness and trust. When you decide to quit, it's not just about removing the practice, but also embracing a more genuine way of living. As you distance yourself from the secrecy that often accompanies porn consumption, you're more likely to embrace open communication with your partner. You'll find it easier to discuss your feelings, thoughts, and struggles. This transparency is refreshing and necessary in building and maintaining a healthy relationship. Girls notice this difference, appreciating your willingness to be open and honest. Your transparency builds trust and understanding, creating a solid foundation for a more fulfilling and meaningful connection. It also allows you to work together to overcome challenges and grow as a couple. If porn has caused trust issues in your relationship, quitting can be a crucial step in rebuilding what was lost. Trust is often one of the first losses when a secretive habit like porn is involved. However, quitting is an act of commitment to self-improvement in your relationship. Girls, notice your commitment to rebuilding trust. They see that you're actively working on the issues that may have haunted your relationship. This dedication and the resulting actions often become the foundation for rebuilding trust and restoring the love in your relationship. When you choose to quit porn, you're not merely breaking a habit, you're embarking on a transformative journey of self-improvement. The positive changes unfolding are profound and noticeable, particularly to the girls in your life. Your increased self-confidence, improved focus, and respect for boundaries become magnetic qualities, drawing people, especially the women you interact with, towards you. If you found this wisdom valuable, share it with your friends, family, and others who could benefit from this video.